Welcome to
Today, I want to share some exciting details about Apple's latest venture into virtual and augmented reality with the highly anticipated Vision Pro headset officially unveiled at WWDC 2023. Let's delve into the groundbreaking features of Apple's Vision Pro, the mixed reality device set to revolutionize our AR and VR experiences, launching on February 2nd after years of speculation and anticipation. After years of speculation about Apple's foray into virtual and augmented reality, the company unveiled the Vision Pro at WWDC 2023. The Vision OS device is set to launch on February 2nd, with pre-orders starting on January 19th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 5 a.m. Pacific Time. The base model, featuring 256 gigabytes of internal storage, starts at $3,499, and optional Zeiss prescription lenses can be purchased for $149. The Vision Pro utilizes two Apple Silicon chips, M2 Ultra and R1, and offers a 2-hour usage with a tethered battery pack or unlimited usage when plugged in. The device introduces natural control through hand and eye tracking and voice commands. Users can seamlessly switch between augmented and virtual reality using a digital crown-style dial, and the front display indicates the user's eyes for social awareness. Apple's Vision Pro, officially unveiled at last year's Worldwide Developers Conference, is available for pre-order starting January 19th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Priced at $3,499, the headset boasts features like hand and eye tracking, voice commands, and the ability to switch between AR and VR. Optional prescription lenses from Zeiss are also offered for $149. An interesting feature of the Apple Vision Pro is its guest mode, allowing users to share the headset with friends or family without requiring them to set up an account. Guest users may access specific apps and experiences with certain restrictions in place, such as bypassing the optic ID requirement. The Vision Pro will launch with 3D content from Disney+, offering special animated screening environments for subscribers. Other supported apps include ESPN, MLB, PGA Tour, Amazon Prime Video, and more. Notably, Netflix is absent from the list, although executives have indicated its existing app will work on the new headset. In-store demos for the Vision Pro involve a face scan by Apple Store employees to configure the light seal, similar to Face ID. For users needing vision correction, their lenses will be scanned with a special device to determine the prescription. Employees will then fit the Vision Pro with one of many on-hand lenses and provide instructions on usage. Despite Apple's absence at CES, its announcement of the Vision Pro launching on February 2nd dominated the virtual and augmented reality scene. While several companies showcased AR and VR tech at CES 2024, none matched the comprehensive package offered by Apple's headset, which garnered attention for its imminent release. Certainly, here are two closing lines you can use. 1. As Apple pushes the boundaries of immersive technology with the Vision Pro, the launch on February 2nd marks a significant leap into a new era of virtual and augmented reality experiences. With the Vision Pro, Apple continues to redefine the possibilities of mixed reality, promising an exciting future for immersive technologies. Stay tuned for the transformative experiences that lie ahead.